Hello, this is Mickey from Flint Creative out in Park City, Utah with another installment of our webcast called How to WordPress. Today we're going to go over how to edit and create new posts. Now, creating and editing posts is very similar to creating and editing pages. We just go to the left-hand menu once we've logged into WordPress and are in the dashboard. Go to Posts, Add New, and here you'll see a very similar, if not identical, layout to the Add Pages layout. Test Post, and here is some content. Now, before you click on Publish, we have a couple of different options. We can specify where this post will live if we've set up a couple of different categories, which I'll go over in a second. And since we haven't set any up, we'll just click on Publish. Now if we go to the front end of our site, refresh, here you'll see the new post. Now by default, the post will display on the home page of the site. If you don't want it to display on the home page, if you want it to display on a specific page, say blog, it's a very easy few steps to set up. Now we go back to the back end, and what we're going to do is add a new page. We're going to add two pages, one for home and one for blog. Home. And we're going to publish that. And go back to Add New Page. And write blog or posts if you want that. Here. Page. And since this is going to be the page where the posts show up, this content won't display. So once these two pages are set up, we're going to go back to our left-hand menu, and down at the bottom here is Settings. Open that up and click on Reading. Now, front page displays your latest posts, which is the way it's set by default. Now if you want to set it as a static page, like the home page we just set up, just click on Home, and the post page will be blog. Save these changes. Now we go back to the front end of our site, refresh the page, and now you'll see that this is just the home page with the new content that the new page that we set up. Now if we click on blog, here you'll see the posts that we set up. Now getting back to categories, if we go back to our posts, test post, and categories. Now the two posts that we have on our site are uncategorized since we don't have any categories set up so far. Now if we go to post categories, we can add a new category called blog, and the slug, it's basically just a URL friendly version of the name. It doesn't include any capital letters or spaces. If you want to use a space, just use a hyphen like so. And add a new category. So if you go back to Posts, Test Post, now we can unselect Uncategorized and click on Blog. And update that. Reload the page, and now you can see that it's posted in the blog category, whereas the first post that's set up by default by WordPress is still uncategorized. Now to delete a post, say you don't want the default post that WordPress sets up. Most people don't. You can click on trash and click on the trash again. And if you deleted it by accident, you can restore it, or if you are sure, you can delete it permanently. Now I go back to the site front end. Click on blog again, and now the only post that shows up is test post. Well, I hope that helps. Join us again next time for more WordPress tutorials. Thank you.